Okay, so for many of you that asked for the breakdown uh, of the sweet mother, okay, um, I'm going to do the breakdown for you guys. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, I was playing the key of F. It's the key of F. Do di la sol fa mi re mi fa sol la ti do. Then you play it down horizontal. Okay, so at first thing you need to learn is your double note, which is called the dwa, something like this: do re mi la sol la ti do, do ti la sol la mi re. So I made a lesson on this. If you didn't watch it, just hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you the link to the video. Okay, so that's it. So the song is do mi re la mi sol la. Then from here you start up again. La mi re la do. You come to the mi. Mi sol re la mi re si. Oh, this is a T. A T. Okay. So that's it. It's very simple. Now I play something like that. So I played. I pick my, instead of going, I play do sol la. Okay. Mi. Okay. And now pick from down. Down. Okay, pick from down now. Now you can play like this, or you can play like this. The third string and the second string, you can climb to the third and the second string, which is the same note. C. Okay, that's it. From this, just the same thing. You can play it here. So the chord progression is very simple. You hold your va chord. I hit a note there. This note is saw. I just play the va. So do again. Add my third there, which is the flat 7. Okay. I hold my come to my saw chord. Now this time around, this note here is la. Okay. Okay. Play again. Va, va, okay, so you can start learning simple variation as a beginner. Okay, so wherever you don't understand, get back to me.